everyone, my name's Roscoe. We have a lot of Yeezy news to update you guys on because we got some early leaks of some Yeezys that's gonna be dropping in 2021, and it looks like the 700 V1s are back. There's a new colorway that's gonna be dropping in the first quarter of 2021, and also we have two new colorways of the 350 V2. 350 V2 ain't stopping anytime soon. Also, we have a new Quantum that's gonna be dropping at the end of this week that we will touch on as well. First, we need to recap what went down with the Carbon release. A lot of people were capping on those stock numbers. Friday, October 1st, we saw the release of the Carbon 350 V2. Now, I just want to thank everyone who tuned into the live cop as always. But like I stated in my how to cop video, I felt like if you woke up super early and you put in the effort, you were going to get a pair at retail price. I noticed during the live stream, a lot of people got their W's on the foot site. I mean, foot sites drop at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you ended up missing out on those releases and you woke up a little bit late and you relied on Yeezy Supply or the Adidas app raffle, that's where a lot of people started to run into some trouble. I mean, it's never a smooth release with them. Unfortunately, I saw a lot of people getting the review and pay error, and then also I saw people get their sessions timed out. So I always say, don't rely on Yeezy Supply. Try to wake up early and hit on the foot sites. I've noticed there's just so many new people trying to sign up now for these raffles, so the odds of hitting on the Adidas app is crazy now. But however, I did manage to hit on Finish Line, so I did manage to get a pair, but I got a size 8, which I might be giving away very, very soon. So just stay tuned to my Carbon 350 V2 review. I might just give this pair away right here. I knew the hype was building up on this shoe, just the pure fact that this colorway is just so different. I like the dark tone upper. I am noticing it's a little bit more of a navy blue than black. I thought it was like a true black with just like kind of like a grayish blue prime knit on the top quadrant above the stripe. But looking at this looks to be more navy blue, but I really like the contrasting sole. It's not like a clear white sole like we saw with the Zebra 350 V2s or even the Static 350 V2s. This is probably one of the better colorways of this silhouette we've seen here in 2020. I mean, it's a dope shoe. Congrats to everybody that copped. I noticed resale value is okay. I mean, 350 V2s nowadays, they're dropping so many. Resale value isn't gonna be crazy. I feel like a lot of you guys out there are just chasing unicorns. This shoe, I mean, it's reselling for a little bit under 300. I think if you hold it, it will go above 300. I think resale will sit at 265, 275. But it will certainly go above 300 if you do hold it for about 3 to 6 months. These are fire. I will have a review coming very soon once I get my personal size 12. Hey, down in the comments, let me know, W or L. Whew, these are fire. Now, as soon as the release for the Carbons was over, Adidas and Yeezy wants you to start getting ready for the next release because they have the countdown already uploaded on Yeezy Supply. We will see the release of the new Yeezy Quantum Teal Blue. This shoe used to be called the Phenom, but they changed the name and now it's going to be called Teal Blue. Now it's gonna have a retail price of $250 and it will be coming out in full family sizing. I don't know how this shoe is going to go. Last two colorways seem to be bricking, which is not really a good sign. I mean, a lot of people wanted the OG Quantums to come back, and now if you look over on StockX, I mean, they're barely going over retail. Bariums in some sizes are below retail, so, you know, do I think it's gonna sell out? I do. Now I'm thinking like this is gonna be probably an easy cop. I don't know the stock numbers on it, so it could be relatively limited or it could be mass produced. We'll have to wait and find out. You know, this colorway is different from Barium and Quantum. I mean, it is going to feature all knit on the side, but honestly, I like the Quantums. The Quantums are like one of my favorite shoes. Full length boost, super comfortable. I like the big chunky kind of basketball shoe wave. You know, when it comes to Ye and Yeezy sneaker designs, they always seem to be ahead of the curve. People are just kind of reluctant right now to jump on this new Quantum wave. But what I did notice is that Adidas and Yeezy are changing up their marketing strategy. I've seen Ben Baller get a pair. Actually, him and his family all got strapped down in this Yeezy Quantum Teal Blue. And also Addison Rae. She had a pair. She was rocking it hiking, which is crazy. So maybe they're just trying to push it, you know, a little bit of marketing strategy. Let me know down in the comments if you're gonna be going for it. I'm probably gonna cop it. I wanna get it in hand at least. and then I'll decide, you know, if I'll keep it, if I'm gonna wear it, or if I'm gonna sell it. Now it's time to get into some leaks. We have some big news on what's gonna be dropping in 2021, and it looks like the Yeezy 700 V1, they're back. And the first pair that we're gonna be getting is gonna be called Sun. I knew it as soon as Ye tweeted out a photo of this shoe not so long ago. I knew it was a good sign. Now this shoe, I will say, is fire, man. It's just like an alteration of the Wave Runner. You have a yellow upper, a orange, like kind of like a burnt orange sole, but you do have some details of the Wave Runner, man. And I think that's so cool. So what you're getting is that you're still gonna be getting that sort of green here, a little bit of blue here, so that won't change. You're gonna get the orange drips. All that's gonna change is the sole color and the upper, and also the laces. The laces will be silver. It's so different and so out there. I know a lot of people are gonna be like, this shoe is incredibly ugly. I think the shoe is dope. Only thing I will say about this Sun 700 V1, please make it just like the Wave Runners. There's a difference between the Wave Runners, the analogs, the mauves. Those, they're a little bit bulkier. The tongue is attached. It's a little bit wider. The Wave Runner doesn't have the attached tongue. It only attaches here by the bottom, so the tongue moves, and it also caves in a little bit. See how it's kind of like thin? Look how big and wide this one is, man. Look at the difference, the wideness. Looking from the image that he leaked out, it looks like it is like the Wave Runner because he has the tongue. The tongue is kind of all over the place, and that's what happens with the Wave Runners. Cannot wait for the Sun, man. I am going all out for that pair. New colorway of the 700 V1 Sun is coming back. Next up, we got 2 new pairs of the 350 V2s. Did you seriously think the 350s are gonna end here in 2020? Wake up. 350 is the #1 selling Yeezy sneaker out of the whole entire line. And also, I believe out of all the brands, it's like top 5 for most sales. 350s are not going anywhere, but we do have 2 new colorways that's gonna be dropping early 2021. This one looks to be 3 shades of brown. You have an earth tone brown below the stripe and also on the medial side. And then above the stripe looks to be like a chocolate brown. But what I really like about this one is the stripe. Stripe is like a peach, light tan, really pops off it. I think it's cool. This one will probably sell out. The next colorway I like a little bit more. Got a little bit of blue shade below the stripe and also on the medial side. You have a light tone yellow above the stripe, and then also that yellow kind of accents and pulls down. It's on the stripe as well. And we're gonna get more 350 V2s in 2021. We definitely need a V3. I know we were supposed to get one here in 2020, but they pushed it back. So I do think we're gonna get one early 2021. Before I end the video, let's just share this picture of some Foam Runner samples. So this one just came up not too long ago, and the Foam Runners, man, they are doing crazy colors for these shoes. What I like about like this picture right here, you see like the 2 shades of blue. You have a baby blue upper, and then you have like a navy blue bottom or royal blue. I think that one looks awesome. Then you have a black bottom one and then a white kind of marble on the top. The Foam Runners are gonna be a big hit. I'm telling you right now, we're gonna see Foam Runners everywhere in 2021. That is my video for you guys today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.